Hi guys, this is Zoe. Before we start with all these recipes, we're going to talk about tools and safety. So some tools you'll need are plastic knives because of safety, a can opener, tongs, measuring cups, different teaspoons and tablespoons, larger measuring cups, cleaner so you can clean your space,
especially with all the coronas.
a good set of bowls, spatulas and all that stuff, and whisks. These aren't all the tools, there's lots more, but these are some basic tools. You'll always need safety, like when you're using knives, you always want to be careful. When you're using the oven, you should always wear oven mitts and have a pair. And I never cook or bake without permission or without my mom in the kitchen.
Or dad.
Thank you for watching. I hope this helped you. Make sure to click the subscribe button and the like button. In the words of Max, ring the bell. Thank you for watching.